Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Maths Online class, class 3rd. How are you all, students? I hope you all are fit and fine. Now, let's start our new topic, Unit 10, Fractions. Today, you will learn about it. So, pay attention here, all of you.
We will learn what are fractions. I need only half glass of milk. Why you have left quarter of a chapati? I want 3/4 of this pizza. Half, quarter and 3/4 are all parts of a whole. These are fractions. Whole means a complete thing. A whole chapati, a whole pizza, a whole glass of milk, a whole cake. Fraction is part of whole. Let's check whole and fraction once again.
A chocolate is divided into 3 equal parts. Here are 2 circular discs. Which one is divided into 3 equal parts? The blue colored part represents 1 part out of 3 equal parts. We denote this part as and read it as 1/3. How will you denote its uncolored part? 2 uncolored parts are denoted by 2/3. Remember, when we study about fractions, we deal only with equal parts of a whole. Here is a rectangle. It is divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is denoted by and read as 1/4. Here is a square divided into 4 equal parts. One part is colored red, 2 parts blue, and 1 is left uncolored. What fraction of the whole is red part? What fraction of the whole is blue part? What fraction of the whole is uncolored part? Here, the figure is divided into 8 equal parts. Its 3 parts are shaded. What fraction of the whole is the shaded part? What fraction of the whole is the unshaded part?
Now, let's start with exercise 10A. This unit is about fraction. So, first I want to tell you about what is fraction. So, listen it carefully. Pay attention here, all of you. When a thing is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of the whole. And here, whole means the full thing. Suppose a cake is divided into equal parts, 6 equal parts. Each part is 1/6 of the whole. Each part is 1/6 of the whole cake, and you can return it as in fraction 1/6. I hope you understood this one. Now come to exercise. First one, tick the figures that show halves. First one is triangle and it is equally divided, so put tick mark here. Second one, it is not equally divided into halves, so you have to put here cross. In third part, b is written and it is equally divided into two halves, so tick here. And in circle you can see fourth part, you can see here it is also not equally divided, so put cross here. And this part, color to show the fraction, you do in homework in your books itself. Now write true or false. First question, you can see here one part is shaded and other two parts are uncolored. One part is shaded, other two parts are unshaded, so 1/3 is colored. Is it true or false? It is true. Now second one, you can see here two parts are shaded, one is unshaded, and they are asking 1/3 is white. Yes, 1/3 is white, so write here true. A quarter is white, it is false. The first question is of page number 100, color to show the fraction. First question is 1/5 and triangle is given. Here 5 parts are done for you, and what will you do? You have to shade one part. You have to shade one part, this one only, and other parts no need to color it. Okay. Now second one is 1/6. Here you can see 6 parts are given, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in numerator 1 is written, so you have to shade one part only. Anywhere you can color. Now third is 1/8 is given, and in figure they have done 8 parts, and in numerator what is written? 1 na, so you have to shade only one part. Any color you can use to color it. Like this you do all parts. Now next one, what fraction is shaded? You have to write only what fraction is shaded. So here you can see in first circle 2 parts are shaded, so and total 3 parts are given of a circle. So what will you write here? 2/3. जो पार्ट शेड किए हैं वो आपको ऊपर लिखना है इन न्यूमरेटर, और टोटल पार्ट्स यू हैव टू राइट इन डिनोमिनेटर. Now second is, you can see here 2 parts are shaded. Write here 2/4 because total parts in circle are 4. Like this you do all parts in homework in your books. Now come to this question, fill in. First one is 1/2 of 4. Here what will you do? 1/2, and here of means multiply. Write here 4. You can directly cut 4 from 2, or you can write like this: 4 ones are 4, 4/2, and now cut it off. 2 twos are 4. The answer is 2. Write here 2 in the space given. Now second one is 1/2 of 12. 1/2 of 12. Here also you can do like this: 1/2 of means multiply 12, and now directly you can cut. 2 6 are 12, 6 1s are 6. Right here 6. Like this you do these parts, and now come to this part. Here in 3/4 the numerator is dash. जो अपर पार्ट है वो न्यूमरेटर है, जो लोअर पार्ट है वो डिनोमिनेटर है. तो 3 is upper part, so write here in numerator 3, and 4 is lower part, and you can write here in denominator. Now this one In 7 upon 9, the numerator is 7 and the denominator is 9. And here you have given numerator and denominator. Numerator is 4, denominator is 7. Now write in fraction. And what will you do here? Numerator you write on the top and denominator here. Write here 4 upon 7. Like this you do this part also. Now come to page number 101, exercise 10b. First question is color to show the fraction. And you can see here part 1/5 part is given in first part. So and here 5 circles are given. What will you do here? You have to shade only one part, or you can use any color to shade one circle. Now next is 3 upon 7 and total figures are given here 7. And what will you do here? You have to color 3 parts of the whole. Okay, like this you do all part. Now color the fractions, count and write. Here first question is, you can see how many are there shaded. 3 are shaded and 3 are unshaded. Okay, 3 are shaded and 3 are unshaded. The answer is 3 here. 1 upon 2 of 6. Total 6 parts are given and you have to do half of it. The answer is 3. Now in this flower you see how many petals are given. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total are 6 now. And here the question is 2/3 of 6. So what will you do here? 2 upon 3 of means multiply, and you have to do 2 upon 3 of 6 na. So first you cut this one. 3 2 ja 6. Now multiply these two. 2 2 ja 4. The answer is 4 right here. 4. Understood? Like this you do all parts. In your books itself. Now let's come to page number 102. First one is tick if the fractions are shaded correctly. The question is 1/3. And here you can see 3 triangles are given. 1 is shaded. That means it is correct. 1 upon 3. Put tick mark in the box given. Second one 1/3 is given, and you can see here total 12 boxes are given and 4 are shaded. So how will you find out this one? 4 upon 12. Now cut it off. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Here 1 upon 3 is given now, so it is correct. Understood all of you? Now do all these part in your books. Now second is shade to show the two fractions and then write greater than, smaller than or equal to. The first question is given for you. They have done for you. 2 circles are given, and in first circle you can see 4 parts are given. 2 are shaded in it, and in second circle you can see 1 part is shaded. In first section they have written 2 upon 4 and here it is 1 upon 4. Which part is shaded more? This one na. So put greater than sign. Okay, here. Now second is, you can see 2 figures are given. In first one 3 parts are given, second also 3 parts are given. In first figure 1 upon 3 is written na, so you have to shade only one part of the 3, and in second figure also you have to shade 2 parts of the 3, so its fraction is 2 upon 3. And now you find out which fraction is shaded more. This one na, so put mark in front of 2 upon 3. Like this you do all parts in your homework in your books. I hope you understood this one. Thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.